Hi everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, we're going to take a look at just a gorgeous 1954 Ford F100 killer truck, guys. 3,000 miles on a complete frame-off, custom build, restoration. Gorgeous color. It's like a crimson red metallic. It's got a tan leather interior in it, 302 crate engine, C4 automatic, 4 disc brakes. It's got air. It's got a GM front subframe underneath it. Truck's out of Georgia. Really nicely done. I probably put about 25 miles on this truck, guys. And it drives really good, nice and tight. We cruised it with the air on and the windows up, so we know this is a pretty doggone good truck. Again, 4-wheel disc brakes. It's all steel. Not a whole lot to really nitpick on it. I saw a couple little things in the paint, but really like this truck. Little stone peck there. You see a little touch-up mark there, but that's kind of it. I mean, that's really what you're going to find is just little things like that. Very, very nice truck. Yeah, doggone, there it goes. Sun coming off that building is driving the camera crazy. Pretty truck, all new glass. It's got a flip forward hood, which operates actually pretty easily. I love the dark oak bed. This is functional too. Really just a good truck. It's got a good stance to it. Sitting on 18 and 20 inch American Racing Torque Thrust 2s. It's got the spinner caps on them. All ZR rated Nitto rubber. Again, 4-wheel disc brakes. Again, it's on a GM front subframe. I believe it's a Nova front subframe. Pretty truck. 302 crate engine. Holley 4-barrel, Edelbrock Performer aluminum intake. Does have headers, power steering, power 4-wheel disc brakes, and vintage AC. C4 automatic. New mirrors. Again, all your side glasses are new door handles. I really like this seat that's in this truck too. Ed and I both, when we sat in it, it's really comfortable. All new custom leather tan, but like I say, this seat is very comfortable. Tilt column, I did it, polished tilt column with a Grant wood wheel. All VDO gauge cluster, 3,052, hopefully you can see that, miles on it. Radio delete. It's got a console, that's removable, but it's nice. It's got the drink holders in it. Your VIN is in the factory position, which is inside the glove box. Dual exhaust, 10-bolt rear end, not a big gear, you know, probably 323, rear sway bar. Again, this is all functional. Again, truck's nice underneath. See that rear sway bar? Nice carpet in here too. Dash is painted nice. It's got a little plug-in for, you know, probably phone charger and stuff like that. The way you got to turn the key on, put your foot on the brake, and then push the starter button over there, and it starts. It's got its own little anti-theft device. Jordan just kicked your air on. Air blows nice and cold. Like I say, we cruised it with the windows up, the air on. So we know that's a good cruiser truck. You want to go ahead and nope. Click it down. You sure it's down? Yep. Yeah, it's locked. I mean, it wouldn't go anywhere because the air's blowing up against it, so you're good. Gauges are all functional. Ah, we got a light out. Doggone it. Yeah, I know that light works too. I drove this dang thing. Yeah, there it is. Haha. Remember I told you guys you tap on stuff and stuff works? Good truck. Again, radio delete, but all your blower motor works. How about the wipers? Actually, I never turned them on, Jordy. The door's sticking. Yeah. Come on, that little latch is sticking. There it is. Yeah, wipers, they're electric. Oh, sorry, yeah. Again, make sure you keep, yeah, it's got Ooga horn. Make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram page or our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page, guys. You can do that by clicking the little button there at the bottom. Definitely do that so that way you can get a notification every time we post a new one of these videos. That is a pretty truck. I love the color, man. Have a great day, guys.